Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I just want to begin by sharing some more continued results and proof with you, just to show you that this system is solid and it absolutely is working. It still works and it can work for you too. Just want to show you, coming off of another amazing weekend, what the system was able to do and generate for me. Okay, so this is a little bit more continued proof from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So here we go. This is my name right here. This is me, of course. This is time and date stamp, the 18th of February, 2024. I had another pro level member join me. This resulted in a $300 commission, allowing me to keep 100% of the profits. And this is from Sunday, okay, as you can see. Now moving along, this was Saturday. $50 came in. Okay, see, there's my name again. Time and date stamp, the 17th of February, 2024. This was also on Saturday. There again, this is me. The date, the 17th. And a new premium level member joined me. And this resulted in a $600 commission, allowing me to keep 100% of the profits. And we're going to go back to Friday, which was the 16th. This is me, time and date stamped right here, and another premium level member joined, $600 commission. So grand total all in for the weekend, $1,550. So this is what's possible with this awesome system. Now, results are not typical. Of course, they vary. Got to get it out there as a disclaimer. You know, individual results do vary. It all depends upon, you and your work ethic and showing up every single day and being committed and consistent and just following a proven simple process. Okay, but let me show you what is possible. I'm going to bring you inside of our amazing community, our digital growth community right here. Okay, just to show you some results right here. So we're going to go with the wins. Okay, and this is an amazing community. As you can see, 9,000 members, growing strong. Okay, we're all truly here to uplift, inspire, motivate, and support each other. And we also provide additional supplemental training, which is such high value. And that's why we're all able to have great success. Okay, with this amazing system, above and beyond what will be included in your digital products, which is phenomenal as well. Okay, it offers you complete step-by-step video training tutorials, and that's exactly what we have here too. We have guides to show you what to do every single day to follow, so you too can turn your dreams into a reality. So let's go right up here to the top. Okay, another $600. Thank God for this opportunity. I am forever grateful. Okay, $2,400 in one day, $600 while rocking baby to sleep. Okay, now you might be wondering, geez, how are these people having these kind of results when they're rocking a baby to sleep? How did I get my $300 yesterday on Sunday while I was watching a Lifetime movie? Well, I'm pleased to let you know and excited to share with you that we're using an automated system. And it's our automated system that is allowing us to make daily pay. Okay, look at this, folks. $100,000 earned in 9 months. Pinch me. Never did I think that I would start an online business and quit 2 jobs. Okay, so this person quit 2 jobs and was able to make 6 figures in 9 months. The first 2 months wasn't easy, but it was totally doable. Okay, put your head down to 2 hours a day. So just like I indicated, folks, we're working 2 hours a day. We're using a 2-hour workflow and an automated system. What we're doing is we're following the training, which teaches us how to go out there and find our perfect customer and then create content around our perfect customer that is relatable and relevant, and that our perfect customer is going to be able to resonate with. Okay, and then we're giving a simple call to action. We're bringing them into our automated website. We're taking them on the journey of know, like, and trust. And we have a system in place that's also doing our follow-up for us. Look at this, another phenomenal result. Look at this, folks. $27,143, and we still have 15 days left to go. Look at this, okay? I mean, look at this. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. $2,400 a week. Okay. Look at this. I'm in shock. I'm sitting here shaking. My video went viral. It's currently over 14,000 views. What? Leads are pouring in, folks. I'm 60 years old, and I've been a member of this community for about 2 months. Look at this. Look at this, folks. $300 ding on a Saturday. See, this is me. $300 today, which was yesterday. Okay. And I told you, very nice surprise. Came in this afternoon. Had a new pro level join me while I was watching a great Lifetime movie. Okay. So folks, what we do is we have a website which we refer to as our freedom machine, because it allows us to go out there and experience freedom and really, live life to the fullest, because we're able to, okay, by putting in, showing up every day, being committed and consistent, working our 2 hours, and having our automations set up our freedom funnel for us, okay? It's absolutely incredible. Look at this. $300 ding while having brunch. $600 ding. Look, manifesting miracles. It's happening, guys. Do not give up. Let's do this. And that would be my best advice to anybody looking at the system, folks. Do not give up. Okay, look at this. Ding, $500 while sleeping. $300 while sleeping. Got my first. I woke up to a sale this morning notification. Look at this. Sleep money is really, truly fun money. And there's a lot of mornings, folks, that, I'm able to experience the same because of my automations. Look at this, folks. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Good weekend. $600 while watching the sunset. And $300 12 hours later while doing a TikTok live. Folks, okay? So I think you get the gist of this. So 2 sales in February, 150 and 50. Day 2, they're celebrating leads. So it's really an awesome system. So this is where I'm going to ask you to get more information, where to come next. This is what I encourage you to do. Go to dailypaywithmarybeth.com, and this is what this looks like, okay? What you're going to be able to do when you enter your email, and I do recommend a good valid email address, going into this box and then clicking on yes, send me the blueprint. You're going to be able to discover how to start an online business with a proven blueprint. And yes, this is very beginner friendly. So I just want to leave you with some words of wisdom, okay, before I close out this video, that if you are somebody who is out there seeking more in 2024, you want to evoke a change, okay, then what you need to really do is you need to have faith, resilience, and grit, and put that into motion, folks, okay? There's a lot of factors that go into having success, getting results, and you got to get started though first, okay? You've got to get started first, showing up, putting in the work, and just being committed and consistent is going to deliver the best results. Just like I do every single day, I show up, I put my 2 hours in. I just took you inside of our amazing, awesome digital growth community where you could see real people from all around the world sharing real results. These are people also just like me. We have one commonality in common. No is not an option. Failure is not an option. We show up every single day. We do what it takes to be successful. We work our business, being committed and taking our business serious, following the simple step-by-step process and the training. This is very beginner friendly. It's a rejection-free business model. We're going to show you and teach you the skills to equip you with what is necessary to be able to make daily passive income, okay, with a wonderful mid-ticket opportunity. So you have to remember this, folks. No matter how hard the going might get, you can't give up, okay? If you want to really succeed, you cannot give up, okay? And I'm going to be perfectly candid and honest with you. Not every single morning do I wake up smelling roses, but every day I keep going. I keep pushing, because for me, giving up, it is not an option. It never was. And it never will be, okay? Now, having a why in your life, you probably have heard that. Having a why, a W-H-Y, this is what's going to ignite your ambitions and keep you grounded and keep you focused and keep you motivated and keep you going, because showing up every single day to work your business is what's going to get you results, okay? So right now, the reason that I am using the system, and I've been using it actually for quite a while now, since it first launched, but my why is my daughter who's in graduate school. I'm using this very system to help, to support my daughter. She's doing amazingly well. She's having great success. And needless to say, I am super proud of her. Okay, so that is my why, folks. Everybody has a different reason, a different purpose. So, whatever your reason is, just know that there are systems out there in place that can help you to turn your dreams into reality in 2024. This only takes a one-time investment, folks. What you need to do, you really need to dissolve your fears, ditch your excuses, okay? One-time investment that can keep working and keep producing for you day in, day out. Today, tomorrow, this week, next week, this month, next month, this year, next year. You take a one-time investment, folks. Imagine you've seen the potential here. What type of ROI a system like this, a mid-ticket, can produce for you folks, okay? And inside of this amazing community, we are all here to help, to motivate, to support, to uplift and inspire each other so that we can not only reach our dreams and our goals, turn them into reality, but exceed them, far exceed them. As you can see, the amazing results we're getting and what's possible. We give you everything you need. This is beginner friendly. Yes, indeed, it is beginner friendly. Step-by-step video training tutorials following a simple step-by-step process and a simple blueprint. It's very, very easy. This is earn while you learn. You go into your training, you follow the step-by-step video tutorials, and then what you need to do though, folks, in order to make a go of this and make it work, is to take action and apply and implement the training, and then scale up. This is a very scalable business, okay? Now, know this. I'm going to leave you with this, folks. We're already in month 2 of 2024. Time's moving. No doubt about it. Time is moving. So the question is, are you going to become a mover and a shaker in 2024 and do what it takes to change your life? It's the movers and the shakers that become the action takers so that you can finally take action using this very vehicle to get you from where you are right now to where you want to go, where you need to go, so that you can be living your best life ever in 2024. As you can see, this system works. It's changing lives. It has changed my life months ago. It's continuing to change my life, and you see what it's doing for the community. So I'm going to leave you with this, folks. Will you be next? All you need to do is go to dailypaywithmarybeth.com, email address, enter it right here, click right here. I would love nothing more than to see you on the inside, be able to welcome you with open arms into our amazing digital growth community very, very soon, and be reading your testimonial and your success story. But in order for that to happen, you got to get started. You know what to do, folks. There's no better time than now to make it happen. Hope to see you soon on the inside. Thank you very much. Have yourself a wonderful, prosperous week. Thank you.